in your Friday best and ready to impress. Oh, I like the show. And can I say that you're the prettiest girl that I know or will ever know? So give me your hand. I got a record on the table and I think it's gonna make you wanna let go. An opportunity to get a little wild, baby. Can I get a smile? Damn, I hope so. No turning off the heat, of the shovel to repeat. She said I love this song, I've heard it before and it stole my heart. I know every word, she's gonna dance all night, till it hurts, singing the best song ever, best song ever. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. She said this is the best song ever, best song ever. Music colliding with the words, singing what you wanna say. I hope it's my name, hey. And every time you hear it, you'll remember this night again, again and again. So give me your hand, cause I'm ready in the middle and I'm thinking I can make you finally wanna let go. And just to show you my affection to the speakers at the 10 and then 11 till we break the windows. Now we're turning up the heat of the shovel to repeat.